Welcome to another Power Up session. 5 minutes to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Let's get right into it. Find your way into a comfortable seated position. We're going to start warming the spine with Spinal Flex. So any cross-legged position, hands on the shins. Inhale the heart forward. Exhale, rounding back. Inhale forward, lifting the chest, open the front body. Exhale, rounding back. And as always, move at your pace. If you feel you need to go slower, more gentle, you can. If you want to do a more powerful sniff and throw breath, it's completely up to you. Find your pace, your practice, your power up session. Remember, energy flows in waves, just like the light, just like the sound that's reaching your eardrums right now. So when we move our spine in this wave-like pattern and we pump the breath, we really encourage the energy to run along the spine. This has a great effect of clearing the mind and increasing the energy throughout our entire body. Take a deep inhalation, sit nice and tall. Fill the lungs as much as you can. Hold the breath. And release and relax. Beautiful. We're going to go directly into twisting, another great way to increase flexibility and energizing of the spine. Arms out to the sides, bend at the elbows, fingers in front of the shoulders, thumbs behind. We inhale to the left, we exhale to the right. Again, find your pace. You can go slow, you can go fast, sniff and throw breath, as you like it. I recommend starting slow and pick up the pace as it feels comfortable to you. Make sure your head is moving so you get the benefit of the twist all the way from the base up into the neck. In Kundalini Yoga, this move is sometimes referred to as the washing machine, because as we do this twisting, we create a sort of wringing action on our internal organs. It's super detoxifying. It's great for the spine, it's great for the energy, but it's also great for the internal organs. Inhale to center, keep the arms up, roll the shoulders back, fill the lungs as much as possible, hold the breath. And release, relax. Lower the arms, eyes closed, feeling that beautiful energy moving within you. Now we're going to do some shoulder shrugs. Hands are down on the knees. We're going to inhale the shoulders up towards the ears and exhale, drop them. Okay? Inhale up, exhale, drop. Really good for releasing any tension in the shoulders and neck. Really good if you've got some stiffness or you feel like there's some weight on your shoulders. Make sure you continue sitting nice and tall as you do this. Sometimes there's a tendency to slouch. Stay tall. Let only the shoulders be moving. Deep inhalation. Hold the breath, squeeze the shoulders up towards the ears. And relax. Beautiful. To continue releasing tension around the neck, drop the chin to the chest. Inhale as you roll the right ear towards the right shoulder, around back. Exhale, left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest. Continuing in one direction. Inhaling as you roll right and back. Exhaling left and forward. Nice and slow here. Releasing tension. Opening the throat. Awakening all the tiny nervous fibers that run between the mind and the body and the mind. And switch directions, opposite direction. Still nice and slow, inhaling left and back, exhaling right and forward. As you focus on moving and breathing together, notice how calm and quiet the mind becomes. And then we'll do return to center, sitting with the eyes closed. Notice the overall effects in the body and mind, feeling simultaneously energized and relaxed. Beautiful work today, guys. You've just increased your vitality with another power-up session. If you'd like to experience more of these short 5-minute productivity boosters, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got a whole playlist of them right here. Have a beautiful day.